Hey everybody, it's Ryan, KC9OZA, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Anderson Powerpole jumper cable. Pretty simple. All you'll need is wire strippers, your wire of length. This one I'm just going to make a short little jumper. Your Anderson power poles, your crimp connectors, and your Anderson Powerpole crimping tool. So the first thing you'll do is separate your wires a little bit. And then you'll want to kind of see how far in your wire needs to go. And then you'll just snip your wire. Do the same for the other side. We'll go ahead and do this side as well. And then you can go back and check your wire. That looks pretty good. So the next thing you'll do is you'll want to twist your leads. That way they fit nicely in here. And then you will take your crimping tool and crimp. Give it the tug test, nice and secure. Take your other one, make sure they're facing the same direction. Take our tool, slide the wire in, crimp. We'll go ahead and do this for the other end. Twist our wires a little bit so we don't have any burrs sticking out. Put our connector on. Stick it in, make sure everything's lined up. Crimp it. Good and secure. Take this one, line it up. Take our crimping tool, line it up. Okay, so once you do that, you'll take your power poles here, line them up, push it in. Sometimes they can be a little tricky. You go to here to snap. We'll do the same for this one. Push it in until it snaps. Do the same for this end. Push it in, snap. Push this one in. And if you need to, you can use a small screwdriver and push down on the little clip inside if you're having a hard time. So now we will put these together, but you want to make sure you have them orientated right, so that way, since your power poles are reversed and they plug into each other, that you don't get black red, red black. You want red red, black black. Okay, so to show you the orientation, here I have my little power meter. So say I just put them together, think I'm good. Okay, they look the same. But whenever I go to plug them in, as you can see, they're wrong. So what I need to do is take these back apart. They just slide together. turn them around, They got little grooves, tongues. Push them in. So now, whenever I plug them in, they are orientated right. That's how you want to do it. Make sure you want to check this before hooking it into a power source. As you can see, I do not have it hooked into a power source. So you want to be sure to do that. You don't want to pop a fuse or even potentially damage your radio or other electronics. So make sure that you are not connected to any power whenever you're doing your orientation. So there's just a quick little video on how to make a Anderson style power pole jumper, and I will show you also maybe in a future video how to make a Y cable. So thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell for future videos. 73s.